So whatever the scale factor is, take your points for your pre-image, ABC, and you're going to dilate at that scale factor of 2. So the x coordinate is -2. -2 times the scale factor 2 is -4. The y coordinate 5 times 2 gives me 10. So then I'm going to go ahead and plot it. I'm good with that. So that's why I said I'm going to write a lot. I'm the teacher. But that's all you do with the scale factor. You just multiply. So if it was a half, you'd multiply by 0.5. If it was 3 halves, you'd multiply by 1.5. If it was 3, you'd multiply by 3. So you're going to go through every coordinate, ABC, and you're going to multiply and double 2. Okay. All right, so then my B point is 2, 2. And again, I'm going to dilate it with that scale factor of 2, K2. So my B prime is 4, 4. Go to C. You guys okay? Yeah. And then C is -4, -3. Dilate it. So C prime, -8, -6. -8. And I'm going to go ahead and connect the points to show my image triangle. Where is it? And then hold on. So this is triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. This is the image. So green is image, pink is pre-image. It's just before, after. Okay, so if I ask you to dilate a shape, I have to give you the scale factor, otherwise you can't do anything. So whatever the scale factor is, or the K value, all you do is multiply to the coordinates, and it just magnifies it. If it's less than 1, it shrinks it. Okay, this is where a lot of the work is going to come in. I'll do one more thing, and then we're going to verify the scale factor, and that's going to be Pythagorean theorem. And we're just going to verify that scale factor. And you're not going to be doing this all the time. The verifying we're going to do here and there, like very infrequently, because it's a lot of work, and it's unnecessary to do it for every problem. Okay, one last thing. How do you know you did it correctly? You dilated correctly? If you create collinear lines, collinear, like they're points that all sit on the same line, like kind of coworkers, you all work at the same place, okay? Here's my center of dilation, the center. If I was to take the center, the pre-image, and the image, your visual is, they should be collinear. So notice my center of dilation, which is my origin, my pre-image, and my image are all collinear. That's your check. And so if you guys are doing a quiz or working on the worksheet, when we're working together, I always put the collinear lines. But that's your check. So then the center So there's that one. And then C, it's going to be kind of... And so I know these two are a little tight, but the line should pass through the image, the pre-image, and the center of dilation. Image, pre-image, center, image, pre-image, center. And so that's your check. That's how you know. And you should always work with dilations. It's like the Pink Floyd, right? You guys all know it. Yeah, they sell the shirts. Like at Target for little kids, they sell it. All right, I'll pause it here, and then I'll wait, and then we'll do the Pythagorean theorem to verify the scale factor. Fair enough? Okay, so I'm just going to pause it so it'll disappear.